Dude, this thing is clean. Oh shit. Alright, so we just linked up with Paul So Hard and his Sumo Sunday ride. So yeah, this should be interesting. Paul's gonna take us through some crazy obstacles. He loves to do that. Got a lot of guys out here on street tires. Alright. This is gonna be fun. See everybody eat shit. Oh, it's wet too. This is gonna be slippery. These guys are taking the easy way out. Not me. Come on, don't chicken out. Hell no. Here we go. 69%. Let's give it everything we got.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Woo! Oh, okay. Oh, hell no. He's got to go way faster than that. It's going down. Ooh, nice save. Oh. You guys are smart being in the shade over there. Back down. Oh! Good save.
That's a good save.
A for effort. Sheesh. Yeah. You got one more. Oh shit. Too easy.
The thing snapped. No.
What?
The little mount right here.
Paul and I were the only ones that successfully make it up the incline there. So that makes me feel good about myself. So now we're going down to this one. There's definitely going to be some people eating shit on this. Oh no! Man down.
Oh, not the alley.
I thought I was gonna hit his bike. Man, that thing is quiet.
It's got the stock exhaust on it.
I like the quiet bikes though, honestly. That's why I ride electric. Ah! Now my arm's bleeding from the damn vines. Here comes Paul. Gonna make it look easy. Light work.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, no problem.
That's right up.
Just a little tad bit too steep.
Thank you. Yep, no problem. Teamwork make the dream work. Oh, there we go. Hell yeah. Has a train ever come through while you're up here? Alright, I ate shit. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera. Paul does though. Maybe I can get that video from him. But it wasn't too bad. I just fell backwards. I was going up the hill way too slow. Oh shit. I thought he was fixing to pull in here, man. on their best behavior. Going into Taco Bueno, say what? Nice. Taco time! Whoa! Oh! Oh, hell yeah! Such a gentleman! Thank you, sir! Hell yeah, bro! Thank you!
Oh, goddamn!
Oh, there we go! That's better.
Everybody grab your needles. There's fruit right there, be careful. Oh my god.
Taco time. Hell yeah. Anything back here? Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Sorry.
Yeah, it stinks in there. Taco no bueno. There was like a fucking dookie streak on the floor. I hope I didn't run that shit over.
Bro.
I think I'm good. Somebody left a skid mark. Not that kind that we're talking about either. Not the one by a tire. Oh no! Oh, I had this shit paper on my leg. Oh, shitty ass bike. I got the dookie sprocket. Oh man, that's gonna be fun to ride with. I gotta get that out of there. There we go. I got the majority of it. I had a shitty sprocket situation. Thanks for pointing that out, man. Yeah. All right, where are we going to now? Water crossing? Get out the way!
Then go that one.
That one?
Yeah.
Are you just gonna make me turn around and come back?
No, no.
No way. I say not with the Sumos. That shit's way too slick. Here, let me give you a hand.
Thank you, Dale.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Good line.
Oh, he's done.
Nah, he's got it.
Oh!
Good luck, Mitch. Hell yeah.
Pop the clutch.
Oh, that rock's been getting everybody too. You got it? Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
Light work. Okay, that was a fun little obstacle. Oh, you're good? You stop? Alright, that was a fun little obstacle. Now we're seeing where this little trail leads us to. Breeze feels good. It's definitely warm. Oh shit, he almost roosted me. Breeze feels good. We're moving right now. Been able to hit pretty much every obstacle. I did take that little spill earlier, but I didn't get it on camera. All right, let's check the battery. Shit, 80% on the battery. The fucking bike is not clean no more. It's fun though. It's different.
Yeah.
We normally don't do this shit, so yeah. Hell yeah. Dude, this thing is clean. Check this out. This is really nice. Everybody, had another fun day today. We switched it up and rode with the gas bikes on the Sumo Sunday. Did some crazy obstacles with Paul So Hard. That's it for today, man. I want to thank you for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Everybody have fun, be safe out there. Enjoy the ride, enjoy life.